Hello students. So after completing the problem number 1, let's start with the problem number 2, which is based on strophoid or loop. So here guys, I have one more equation of strophoid for which we are going to find out the length of arc by using the concept of rectification. So here you can see that we have to find out the length of the arc of the curve y square equal to x into 1 minus x by 3 the whole square from the origin to the point P, which is having the coordinates x comma y, and we have to show that it is s square equal to y square plus 4 by 3 x square. So guys, here let me tell you that s square is nothing but s is nothing but the length of the arc. So we have to prove that the square of the length of the arc is y square plus 4 by 3 x square. So let's start. So guys, before proceeding, let's draw the given curve. So as I can see here, y square, okay, and here x and 1 minus x by 3 the whole square. This is the equation of loop, because in loop I told you that we have the even powers of y. So now let's draw the loop first. So I'm sure that you have gone through my previous video where I've covered the loop and the equation as well as the shape of the loop. So here I'm gonna draw this again. So let's say this is x and y axis. Now guys, to find out the loop, what we have to do is we have to first find out the point of intersection of that loop with the x-axis, and for that what we'll do is we'll keep y as 0. So if I substitute y as 0, I'll get two values of x. Here I'll get x as 0, and from here I'll get x equal to 3. So I'll draw those 2 points. So here this is a point 0 comma 0, and this is a point 3 comma 0. Now guys, it's sure that our loop is gonna intersect x-axis in these 2 points. Now let's talk about the knot of the loop. So you know that loop looks like this. So this is called as knot of the loop. So we have to find out the coordinates of that knot, and for that what do is we observe the square term. So here we have y square and 1 minus x by 3 the whole square as the square terms. In that what do? We see the numbers or the constant which are given with x and y. So with y nothing is given, so it is 0, and here if I simplify this, here I will get 3 minus x upon 3 the whole square. It means here we have 3 minus x. So guys, 3 minus x denotes that the value of that number, the figure, is 3 minus x the whole square. So guys, what I'll do is, first of all, I'll rewrite this equation so that it will become easier for me to explain you the concept. So what I'll do is I'll keep this y square as it is. We'll rewrite this as x into 3 minus x the whole square upon 9. 9 will come here, so that will become 9y square equal to x into 3 minus x the whole square. Now let's come to the point. So we are discussing here, now with y we don't have anything, so it's 0, and here we have 3 minus x, so it means x is 3. So guys, the point is 3 comma 0. So here we have that point. So at 3 comma 0 we will have a knot. So guys, it will look like this. So this is the loop. Now what we have to do is we have to prove that the length of the arc of this curve from origin to the point. So it means we don't have to find out the complete length of the loop. We have to find out the length of the loop from origin to the point P. So let's assume that this is the point P, which is given by x comma y. So I have to find out the distance, or I would say the length of OP. So to get length OP, we have the equation of the curve. So what I'll do is I'll use the formula of rectification to get the length of that curve. So it is given as s equal to integration from x1 to x2, so limits of x, then under root 1 plus dy upon dx the whole square into dx. Now guys, in our case the x coordinates are from 0 to x, so here I'll say limit is 0 to x. Now I'll have to find out the value of dy by dx, and for that I have this equation. So let's differentiate that with respect to x. So here we will get 2y into dy by dx on the left hand side, whereas on the right hand side we'll apply the UV rule. So by that we'll get x as it is, and then the derivative is 2 times 1 minus x by 3 into minus 1 upon 3. So this is the derivative of second term, plus the second term is 1 minus x by 3 the whole square, and then the derivative of this x is 1. So guys, this is the value of the dy by dx. Now let's take all terms, or just take dy by dx on the LHS. Let's shift everything on the right hand side. So here we will get dy by dx as, so this will become minus 2x by 3. Here I'll write it down. So minus 2x upon 3 into 1 minus x by 3 plus 1 minus x by 3 the whole square, whole upon, here we have 2y, so I'll shift that 2y over here. Now guys, from the numerator I will take 1 minus x by 3 common, so we will get dy by dx as 1 minus x upon 3 outside. In bracket, from here we will get negative 2x by 3, and from here we will get 1 minus x by 3 whole upon 2y. So by simplifying the terms, 1 minus x by 3 as it is, this will become minus 3x by 3, which is minus x, so I can directly say it is 1 minus x whole upon 2y. So guys, this is the value of dy by dx, but in the integration I want 1 plus dy by dx the whole square, so I'll find it out. So it's 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. So that becomes 1 plus the value of dy by dx, let's square it. So that will become 1 minus x by 3 the whole square into 1 minus x the whole square upon 4y square. Now in the question, if you observe, we have the value of y square, so I can substitute this value over there. So here I can say y square is x into 1 minus x by 3 the whole square, and then guys we can cancel something. So let's see that. So here we'll get 1 plus 1 minus x by 3 the whole square, 1 minus x the whole square upon 4 times x into 1 minus x by 3 the whole square. Now we can cancel this two terms. Now let's simplify it again. So here 4x will multiply with 1, we'll get 4x over here, plus this is nothing but 1 minus 2x plus x square whole upon 4x. So this will give us, if I rewrite this is x square, this is positive 2x plus 1 upon 4x, and this would give us x plus 1 the whole square upon 4x. So guys, this is the value, and now I'm gonna put this value here under the square root. So we'll get the value of s as integration from 0 to x under root this value, which is x plus 1 the whole square upon 4x dx. So this will give us integration 0 to x. Square root of x plus 1 the whole square is x plus 1 upon square root of 4 is 2 into root x dx. Now 1 by 2 will come outside. Integration 0 to x. I'll divide each term of numerator by root x. So x upon root x is root x. So I can say that this is x raised to half, plus 1 upon root x is x raised to minus half into dx. Now guys, let's find out the integration of these two terms. So integration of x to the power half is x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So here we'll get half, which is constant outside, x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, plus here the integration of x raised to minus half is x to the power half upon half, and that too from 0 to x. So here this 2 and 2 I can take it in the numerator, and that will be cancelled with this 2. So guys, actually we'll get x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 plus x to the power half, and that is from 0 to x. So if I put value of x over here, we'll get x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 plus x raised to half. And if I take x raised to half common, so we'll get in bracket from here 1, and from here x by 3. So guys, this is the value of s. So here we got the answer for s. But if you observe the question, then in question we have to prove that s square is y square plus 4 by 3x square. It means now I need to square this term. So that is why I'll say s square will be square of the right hand side, which is x, because square of x raised to half is x, and this will become 1 plus x upon 3 the whole square. But guys, that is not the answer. Here I have to prove this answer. So what I'll do is I'll expand this. So here I'll get x. This will become 1 plus 2x by 3 plus x square upon 9. Okay, and if I multiply it with x, then I'll get x plus 2x square by 3 plus x cube by 9. Now guys, what we want in answer is this term. So here we want 4x square by 3 and y square. Now y square is nothing but this value. So guys, to bring this answer, what I'll do is I'll do few adjustments over here. So for that, I'll add and subtract 2x square by 3 over here. So that by adding 2x square by 3 here, I can get 4x square by 3, which is there in the answer. So let's see what we get. So for that, I'll add 2x square by 3 and I will subtract 2x square by 3. Now this will become 2x square by 3 plus 2x square by 3, which is nothing but, here I'll write positive 4x square by 3. And there are three terms, that is x minus 2x square by 3 plus x cube by 9. Now guys, we'll not touch the last term because that is required in the answer, and from first three terms I can take x common. So here we will get the value of s square as x common in bracket 1 from the first term. Here minus 2x by 3 plus x square by 9. So minus 2x by 3 plus x square by 9 plus. Now if you observe this bracket, then it reminds me about the formula of algebra. So here it is nothing but 1 minus x by 3 the whole square formula and plus 4x square by 3. So guys, if I apply the formula for this, I can get exactly these three terms. Now guys, if you see this first term, then this term is nothing but the value of y square. So I can say that this is nothing but y square and plus 4x square by 3 as it is. So guys, here it means we are proving the result, that is s square is equal to y square plus 4x square by 3, and here we get the answer. So I'm sure you understood how I got the answer and how I proved the given result. So guys, keep watching the videos, because in the next video we are gonna cover more numericals on engineering mathematics, and don't forget to share this channel with your friends, because friend in need is a friend indeed. They can also get benefited by the videos of Ekeeda. Thank you very much.